Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If Jesus can settle breeze and wave out a sea, you not think so you couldn't trust him with few problem them? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for? Go and go click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 8 from verse 22 to verse 25. One day, Jesus and his special follower them, they go in a one boat, and he said to them, make we go over the other side of the lake. So then go. When them a sail across, Jesus drop asleep. Now, one strong breeze come down upon the lake, and the boat start full up of water, so till everybody did out for drown. Jesus special follower them wake him up and say, Lord, we are going to drown. Jesus get up and order the breeze and the wave them fi settle down and everything get calm. When you not trust in me day, Jesus asked them. Them so frightened when they see what Jesus do. They ask them one another, Tab, oh, what kind of man this? Him talk to all breeze and wave, and them do what him tell them to do. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.